Contact happened again on this moment calendar, 16 December 2021, and Thursday. Still need speaking English for general international. Context Islam 1 to warning. 666 1 for the scoffing. Rival America as enemy or betrayer on this moment of grace. Context Islam actually already recognized for them since years before Rival 666 1 for scoffing. Context 666 1 for scoffing being actually particular economic people that wrote in the Quran and also Bible Al-Kitab. Need to be worried about America because on the moment before context Islam is an alibi about them. Betrayer international, it's really terrorists on this world. Context 666 Islam 666 one for the scoffing need to be content also alien from God on this moment. Because also the appointment 666 international need to be maintained for independence, not to be involved for America. Context 666 is number in Quran, not number in America. Holy Spirit esteeming for meaning also about need to be clarifications. Actually goes to religions and also Islam, not to be America. Failure preaching on this moment, experience telecommunications, contact, need improvisations. 6661 for the scarf meaning being suggest to make the conference about them. So also to be address country Indonesia, context saying they will start to suspect criminal relating to country Indonesia. Not to be accepting or ignoring meaning. About international coalition with 666 to give rebellion the 10th Americana. Context this from connections contact 666 from for the scarf need to be improved. Contact clarification also to Islam world for about this conference. Contact to alienate Americana about 666 is number in Al-Quran or Al-Kitab. Actually being questioned for independence. Even about the true original 666, they already claim one to the other 666 one for the scarf, which actually non-Americana actually context saying need to be worn to 666 one for the scarf meaning by international contact Islam world on this experience telecommunications. Bulkia 666 on probability being split for the momentum ceremonial international display. Because about Americana context 666 one for the scarf it conference of them to make particular next conversation with Islam world also. About conversation with alien farm international also. About 666 one for the scarf. Context this millennium on global warming actually that we ignore because the experience phenomena supernatural, confusing and chasing about them. Terrorist international, Americana, want to have appointment with 666 one for the scarf. Need to be worrying about them. Confirmation also, English speech name one for them. Being conspired actually for make general speaking international. For being understanding actually, not to be Americana. Contact on this moment calendar say government country Indonesia also want confirmations about Internet ID 6661 for discovering participation also about status as the true original numbering of Al-Quran. Context say actually none goes to Americana, but independence goes to Islam or religions. 6661 for discovering. Context say even about money level 20 to 3 rupiah name will connect. None guarantee who made the appointment goes to Americana. Context says 6661 for discovering need to be considered about this moment conference and need to be confirmation made report first international by the internet access on this day. There is international confirmed clarifications. Islam World want questions about that to 6661 for discovering and alien farming gun also in same time. International 666 or the bound to the area 6661 for discovering still speaking English for general but need to be independent for the momentum continue. Context say Al-Qaeda and also Islam or our experience telecommunications contact with 6661 for discovering. But it need to be confirmation back again why 6661 for discovering, because this is about Americana actually. 666 as numbering of Quran, Sharia, Bulkiya. Context say what about Holy Spirit destiny? Quite impossible. Quite nonsense goes to Americana. 666 in the world. Already answer by experience content happening with alien farm international on continents Arab and Islam. Context saying definitive 6661 for discovering but need to be maintained for anticipation the momentum ceremonial being split because Americana. International global warning actually. Theories behind the tense on domestic recognized countries. Americana. This content need to be said because experience and knowledge about Americana actually already owned by countries Islam world, but seems not very expert by the RD 6661 for discovering. Just for about speaking English on the moment progress on this day. Internet ID 6661 for discovering context now would say not expert about Americana. 6661 for discovering based context say need to be pretty clear, need to be made conference about this moment telecommunications. So can be alibi for next conversations. Islam want to have the 666 the one for discovering for the moment ceremonial by hoping not to be split because American. Content happening, experience telecommunications, say quite ambiguous because telecommunications contact body happening and could also about country Indonesia and suspect on this progress. Could Jaffa, could Begu Ganjang, could Karo, could Batak, could Nias and another ethnic local and could also about countries Asia. The alien farming international already available for confirmation next about that. Conversations with Islam world, alien friends in Islam already happened. So this moment progress since years 2020, 2021 on this year. Say about that. 6661 for discovering. Context say this from Islam. Conversation and also banner recording voice internet 666 for discovering actually can be understand, can be translated by peoples to countries. But any question about that, Americana context say similar with that. 666 original in the world doesn't make sense, quite impossible, goes to Americana. Context this about numerical of Quran. Definitive not written on the Bible, but about Americana. 666 for discovering the original patent. 666 theory confirmations to alien family God on this case progress. Since 2018, 2015, 2021 on these years, quite clear, speaking English general by name with one for name. Already understand by Islam word, but need to be carefully based context change. What about the momentum being split, being broken because Americana. Nonsense Americana includes number of people. Nonsense context say similar with that. Allah Wakman. Just say for that. Context say the 666 for the scarf framing on this moment conference. Decorations existence my logo 666. All definitive alien found ownership. Going to be leader or coalition with Islam countries for the probability, but need to be conferenced by the ID 666 for the scarf framing because the stuff for that need alibi. Context saying alien family God of Islam, definitive prince of Al-Quran were killed in the world. 666 but need conversations again because about Americana. Chance for being split at the momentum ceremonial and also next in question and in warning. 666 for the scarf framing. They are approaching contact happening on this moment. Islam saying it's millennium actually about war international to Americana, but being split because very far number of people 666 by one scarf framing. There need to be confirmations, need to be clarifications, but about also the popularity on internet global. But about connections Americana. Context says 666 over scarf framing definitive already being approved. Non-internet hoax on this day. Definitive contact alien family gun through also Islam world at the same time. Asia countries also and international general. Definitive original and basic for pioneer existence case human commanding goes to grave. Beguganjang from country Indonesia. Context say about money 22 trillion rupiah naked one corner also already being recognized by Islam world and our probability for become true at the realization's momentum. But seems not very clear context saying about title in full on internet ID 666 for scarf framing. Americana on questions on this marketplace. Experience telecommunication contact police supernatural or proof for their status and similar with Internet ID 6661 called scarfing. Non-any correlations friendship to 6661 called scarfing. Need to be conference clarification again by Internet ID 6661 called scarfing on this moment calendar. Only large 6661 called scarfing definitive being involved to international public Islam world. Definitive, none to be worried. Because about that also, 6661 called scarfing been questioned for about the appointment Americana. Need to be conference report also at the same time about the experience only supernatural 6661 called scarfing. International war interest to Americana Islam world. Confirmations needed by 6661 called scarfing because status as the original 666 in the world. Sultan Bolkiah Islamia. Contact confirmation also country Indonesia for about 6661 called scarfing. Want to remain tense because that's the original. And also the appointment momentum conversations already happened with alien family gun on this progress. Definitive about also money reward 22 trillion rupiah name Irwan Cornell. Context definitive about that. Remember or not to be forgotten by international. Asia countries, you could also about country Indonesia, similar also for Islam world. Context 666 in the world, all right on this millennium. The contact confirmation next needed because include about Americana. Quite controversy, context quite controversy by Islam world for about that. Quite impossible, context also. Nobody of people goes to Americana. That's quite nonsense for Islam world. Need to be conferenced but again for conversation next with alien family gun with Islam world. Context alien family definitive exists and residence also on continents Arab, Islamia and Israel. Definitive. They can be contacting and real meet also can be happen. Then context need to be conferenced also about that. For staff official 6661 for discovery include also Islam war. Contact alien family gun for meaning also. 6661 for discovery contact Trico same on this moment calendar mail it for international warning. Interest conflict also context Istanbul one confirmation also to 6661 called scarfing. This moment appointment millennium also on probability conflict international but because also Americana. Contact quite clear what confirmation conference by Internet ID 6661 for scarfing. Need to be warned to alien family gun. What about that? Because status alien family also as official to internet ID 6661 for the scarf evening, and about the chance also to against to make war to Americana. Definitely not include our numerical people. And they say doesn't exist on our Quran. 666 goes to non-responsible peoples, non-responsible society, foreign peoples, criminal world, and also rebellion to countries, troublemaker, and society behind terrorists on international. 6661 for the scarf evening, being approved to make a conference about that. For made official agreement also, Ellen Farragut with Islam World about internet ID 6661 for the scarf evening, our probability also, secondary or primary also, being declared being realization as project by Islam World, not by Americana. Being realizations as country my logo on zone countries Islam, not on zone country Americana. Asia countries also following on this long conference say include was supporting about them. Territory continents Asia actually religions for about number of people and Quran. That's about that 666 actually. Context say need to be warned for the probability being split on the momentum realizations. Declaration Existensi Maya Logo Islamia Syariat Bulkiah 666 in the world by official Ellen Farragut. 6661 for the scarf framing, confirmation on this moment calendar again. Thank you very much. And public can be found for the updates and conference also meeting through internet global social media on this day. Contact the sahabat say also for about internet need to be warning also quite dangerous because about terrorists Americana on this day. Okay, Google and Facebook and etc. also about YouTube with ID 666 ICDM or ID Professor Ivan Cornell. Thank you very much. The 6th day God was created human as similar with Trinity of Christianity. 6661 for the scarf remaining official Ellen Farragut and already being agreed, being approved also following by Islam countries on this progress. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swantiasu and Bodhisattva. Contact just happened, say from Islam World. 666 as appointment decoration need to be imported by 666 one for the scarf premium. That meaning goes to Islam World, not Americana. Contact conversation with Ellen Farragut is available by Islam countries. Need to be confirmations, conference, for condition, pre-com, to this moment, experience, telecommunications, and case. And to this moment, 6661 for the staff remaining already agree for that. Context need to be seen for about the agreement also. Islam would include for status secondary or primary for contact of session and community realizations, decorations, my logo 666, alien farming ownerships, patent original 666 Islamia, 666 one for the scarfing. Baiklah, terima kasih. Begitu saja kontennya menyatakan demikian. Assalamualaikum.